Sticks! Leave her alone! She doesn't want to play with you. You have like pollen on your nose or something. Sticks?
Quit it.
Hey dude.
Come on, come on.
Enough. You've already said hello a dozen times. Sticks? Yep, come on. Come along, Lexi. Oh! You run, Lexi runs. Sticks! What is this dance? Are you guys going to do this the entire weekend? I don't think so. Hey! Gypsy, don't add. Precious? Alright, guys. This is supposed to be an amicable walk.
Getting tangled.
Yeah, I know. You're really getting tangled, honey bun. Yeah. Precious baby! Can't talk, sniffing. Gypsy! You're getting into trouble! You are like hurting me. You're hurting me into the bush. Yes.